Hello, and welcome to this preparation video for your upcoming training course with us. My name is Kerry Strickland. I'm part of the RTI Innovation Advisors team. Before we get started, I'll tell you a little about us. RTI Innovation Advisors helps clients turn insights into new products, services, and technologies that have meaningful human and business impact. We are a part of RTI International, a nonprofit research institute that works to improve the human condition by turning knowledge into practice and leveraging science for global good. We are a mission-driven innovation consultancy that focuses on three challenges that organizations face: defining innovation strategy, exploring innovation insights, and connecting technologies with new markets. We solve innovation challenges for a wide range of clients, including private companies, universities, and large research labs and other NGOs. In today's video, we're going to talk about the importance of framing the problem that you're trying to solve. We begin with a quote from Albert Einstein you've probably heard before. If I had 60 minutes to solve a problem and my life depended on it, I'd spend 55 minutes defining the problem and then 5 minutes solving it. This idea that how we understand and frame the problem is critical to unlocking our ability to solve it is a core tenet of design thinking. Our team believes that a key ingredient to successful, sustainable innovation is human-centered design. And there are many tools and techniques we can use to better define the problem that we want to solve. In this video, we'll focus on statement starters. Statement starters are an approach to phrasing problem statements that invites broad exploration. This is an incredibly simple but incredibly powerful idea. You're simply reframing the project from a directive into an invitation. And this works wonders to inspire creativity, invite the team that you're working with to explore new ideas and solutions and ways of thinking, and it helps create and instill ownership within the team. Some examples of statement starters that you might have heard before are how might we, in what ways might we, how to. These are all great and useful ways to frame the problem that you want to solve. Let's take how might we as an example. We're going to focus and work mainly with this one today. It was featured in an HBR article from 2012 called "The Secret Phrase That Top Innovators Use." So 3 little words: how might we? Why are these important? We use the word how because the word how assumes that solutions are already out there. It's baked into the premise of the word how we will do it. Sets our minds to the frame that there is a solution. Might acknowledges uncertainty and that we're taking some risk. Any particular solution that follows in the second half of that sentence may or may not work. We use might there because words like can and should imply judgment on the idea. Might instead defers judgment, and that allows for more expansive thinking when we're trying to be creative. And lastly, the word we, how might we? The last word we says and acknowledges that we're going to do this together. It inspires collaboration and teamwork. It acknowledges that big problems are rarely solved by lone individuals. So let's look at an example. Imagine your company has a prototype formula and process that you've come up with in the lab, but you can't scale up and produce in your manufacturing plant. Your first question might be, well, who has the equipment to make our new formula? If we don't have the equipment in our plants to make it, who does? But design thinking teaches us to broaden this question and say, how might we manufacture this product? So you see, the first question is more narrow, and it begets a narrow solution, a list of commands with a certain set of capabilities that are predefined. Our how might we statement instead invites us to think not only about commands, but also about different processing approaches and the foundational science and technology underlying the new formula. And by thinking about the problem in a holistic way, we might arrive at new solutions. So let's look at some other examples. How might we create a sriracha lime chip? This problem statement this statement starter is a little bit too specific, right? It almost presupposes too much about the end product, the solution, a sriracha lime chip. Another example, how might we create a new product for restaurant owners? This is also not great because it's a bit too far in the other direction. It's maybe too general. Are we talking about a new point of sale system, or are we talking about a new appetizer? Good statement starters are always rooted in the stakeholders' goals or pains. So understanding the stakeholders is really important in writing good how might we statements. Also, the best how might we statements are written in ways that challenge conventional thinking or inspire creative solutions. So let's explore what that means. How do we write a statement in such a way that challenges conventional thinking or inspires creative solutions? Let's take a simple statement starter to begin. How might we reduce maintenance? Okay, it's fine. How can we make it a little more aspirational? Great way to do that is quantify it, add numbers. How might we reduce maintenance by 50%? And if we take it a step further, how might we create a self-maintaining product? If we think that out one more level, how might we create products that heal themselves? So you can see this kind of ladder effect when we start with one statement starter and we think about it more broadly, we can sort of ladder it up to more creative, more aspirational statement starters over time. Now you know the basics of statement starters and are hopefully more equipped to start tackling your innovation challenges. Thank you for watching this video. We hope it helps get you excited for your upcoming training course, and we look forward to meeting you.